Hello friends, this is Isha Mahato. Welcome to my channel, and today I am going to highlight the recent news regarding COVID cases in Nagaland. On 3rd of May, the government released new order for the containment zones. Government authorities said that Dimapur Municipal Council, Chumukdima Town Council, including colonies and villages pertaining to the Dimapur 4-lane road and its veracity, and Kohima Municipal Council and New Capital Complex are declared as containment zones. It further stated that with effect from 5th May 7 pm for the next 7 days, no vehicular movements shall be allowed or any kind of activities will be permitted function in the said areas except movement of goods vehicles, including vehicles carrying oxygen cylinders and other medical equipments. All healthcare facilities, including animal healthcare, hospitals, clinic, nursing homes, and movement of healthcare workers. All pharmacies, including those selling veterinary medicines. All persons going for COVID-19 vaccination, COVID testing, and medical emergencies. All officers and staff working in district administration, police, security forces, fire and emergency services, home department, medical, postal services. Construction activities, agri and allied activities. Funeral services limited to less than 20 persons. All vegetables, fish, meat vendors, milk booths may remain open from 6 am to 2 pm. All local grocery stores, including animal feed shops for public purchase, may remain open from 6 am to 2 pm. Petrol pumps shall remain open as usual while ensuring there is no crowding. All establishments and personnel relating to electronic and print media, telecom, internet service providers. Dimapur airports shall remain open and movement of staff and passengers will be permitted. Hotels for lodging to remain open with minimum staff. Restaurants shall remain closed in house dining. The restaurants may, however, cater through takeaway or home delivery. Food delivery service providers and grocery delivery service providers. Small standalone shops in colonies movement to regulation by the respective ward colony authority. Movement of all private passenger vehicles shall be allowed to ply on odd-even system with occupancy of 50%. Public transport vehicles, both public and private like buses, taxis, autos, two-wheeler taxis, etc., shall be allowed to ply with occupancy of 50% maximum capacity. Strict enforcement of these restrictions shall be ensured by the respective district task forces. Strict checking shall be done by the district task forces at the district entry points to prevent non-essential movement of persons. All places of mass gathering to be closed, including religious places, except for solemnization of weddings with prior permission of the Deputy Commissioner across the state. Any person, group of persons acting in violation of this order shall be deemed to have committed an offence punishable under Section 188 of the Indian Penal Code. The total of COVID-19 positive cases has accelerated unprecedentedly in the past few days, with yesterday's fresh positive cases of 266, out of which 162 are from Dimapur, 71 from Kohima, 11 from Tuinsang, 8 from Mon, 4 from Paren, 4 from Mukokchung, 3 from Longleng and 1 each from Kipire, Phek and Zuneboto. The total number of positive cases in Nagaland taking the tally to total cases 13,711 and 1,113 active cases. Wear masks, stay home and stay safe. May God bless us all. Thank you.